How to connect custom domain to Lovable. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. But before we jump into the video, make sure you go to the description and click on the link to get the best deal that you can get for Lovable for the lowest price. So let's just go ahead and get back to the video. So first, once you actually open up your project, or you can just go to settings, either way, you're going to be able to find, so let's say if you're on your project, if you click on publish the first time, you're going to find the option add custom domain. If you can't find it that way, you can just go to settings, and now you can find it underneath the project settings. You can find domains, you can click on that, and now you have two different options, either one, connect existing domain, or the second one, which is buy a new domain. So all you need to do now is just find the connect existing domain, click on connect domain, and now you simply just want to add the domain that you have, and it's just going to, you want to click on continue. And obviously the further, next steps are really just going to depend on your provider and the steps needed for you to connect them, because each one is going to be different. I can't really show you that in this video, but simply just click on connect domain, add it, and click on continue and follow the following steps. And you should be good to go. You should have your custom domain in here, and now you can just go back to your projects and publish them with your custom domain instead of the Lovable one. But yeah, with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.